Well, as you probably heard, we have some strong to severe thunderstorms possible across the area this afternoon into this evening. Start by taking a look at the overall outlook. Yellow area is the area of greatest risk, what we call a slight risk. It includes much of the Bighorn Basin as well as Johnson County, northern portions of the Trona, as well as Fremont counties. And the darker green area, that's a marginal risk. Now we take a look at the individual threats. Damaging winds, hail look like the main threats here. Damaging wind matches up pretty well with the slight risk there, about a 15% chance within 25 miles in the yellow area, about a 5% chance, it's about 1 in 20 across the brown area. And also as we take a look at hail, again pretty much the same thing, 1 in 6 across the yellow area, 1 in 20 across the brown area. I think a little bit better chance of bigger hail though than damaging winds with this event though. Take a look at the summary, again a medium chance of large hail, especially across the slight risk area. Damaging wind, a little bit less of a chance, but pretty much the same thing. As far as any tornadoes, can't rule out one's popping up somewhere, but chance looks pretty low, especially when we compare this to say June 12th, I should say, of last year. Now one cool thing I want to show you, this is one of the models we use to help predict thunderstorms. Now notice as they start to form about 2 or 3 o'clock, then they develop and move northeast across the area into the Bighorn Basin, then eventually over to Johnson County. Now the model is usually pretty good at timing within about an hour or so, and also pretty good at showing the development of the trend of the thunderstorms. Now if you're looking, you see one little cell over your area, and you think, oh, it's going to happen there right then, the model is not that good, so don't take it for that. But it does show the general trend of them developing, mainly across the lee of the mountains, then pushing north and east toward Johnson County, and moving out of the area, probably as we head toward the midnight time frame. So as we sum everything up, again, strong to severe thunderstorms possible this afternoon. Best chance will be between about 5 or 9 o'clock, but just about any time between about 3 and 10 o'clock, I'd say. Most at risk Bighorn Basin, Johnson County, including places like Worland, Buffalo, KC, Grable, Thermopolis, also Tensleep. Also a chance for places like Riverton, though. And any severe thunderstorm possible just about anywhere east of the Divide, though. And large hail is probably going to be the greatest threat, followed by damaging winds. Can't rule out an isolated tornado or localized flooding, especially flooding in areas that are prone, but those look to be the lower threats. And we're not done with that. There could still be some strong thunderstorms around on Thursday as well, but that'll be confined to northern Wyoming. Once again, here's our resources for weather, river information, storm prediction center if you want more detailed stuff on the severe weather, as well as webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Have a good day.